Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. As we have already discussed in the previous video, we will be concerned particularly with right angle triangle like this. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. And here specific angles means here we will consider the angles. Suppose angle is theta from 0 degree to 90 degree. These are particularly some specific angles, and between 0 degree and 90 degree we'll consider the angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So first of all, we'll try to understand what are the values of all the 6 trigonometrical ratios with respect to these angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These are specific angles from 0 degree to 9 degree, which we are going to discuss about. And you know, trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Suppose we consider this angle A and we denote it by theta. Then we can write here sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So now we'll try to write down here values of all these trigonometrical ratios sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot with respect to these angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, so first of all we'll try to make a table so that you could remember it very easily. Like this. And so now we'll write down all the values of these trigonometrical ratios with respect to these angles. So just you have to remember one line only, then you can put other values also. So this is 0, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. You have to remember this line only. And cos of theta, you start writing from this side, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half and 0. And tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. You can understand it very easily. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. How we can verify tan theta is sine theta by cos theta? Because you know sine theta is P by H and cos theta is B by H. So H will be cancelled out. Finally we are getting P by B, which is nothing but tan theta. Similarly, cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta, because as you know cot theta is B by P. Cot theta is B by P. These ratios we have already discussed in the previous video. And tan theta is P by B. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon P by B, that is B by P. So cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So we have discussed here tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. So let us define corresponding values of sin theta by corresponding values of cos theta. So 0 by 1 is 0. 1 upon root 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. This is 1. This is root 3. And this is 1 by 0. You know 1 by 0 is not defined. This number is not defined. Correct? And similarly, we can understand that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. How we can understand it? Cosec theta is how 1 by sin theta? Because you know that sin theta is P upon H, and 1 by P upon H is H upon P. So you know that H upon P is nothing but cosec theta. So cosec theta, these values will give us the value of cosec theta. So 1 by 0, 1 upon sine is cosec. So 1 by 0, this is not defined. Not defined. Again 1 by 2, 1 upon 1 by 2, that is 2. 1 upon 1 by root 2, that is root 2. 1 upon root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. And 1 upon 1 is 1. Cosec theta. Similarly, you can use the formula sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. We can use the formula sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. How? Because cos theta is B by H. So this is equal to H by B. This is nothing but sec theta. So either you can use this formula sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, or for the sake of convenience, just you start writing from this side. You will get the same value. So you can write here 1. This is 2 by root 3. And this is root 2. Here 2. And this is not defined. Very simple to remember it. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So you can use reciprocal of tan theta, means for 0 degree 1 by 0. This is not defined. Not defined. And 1 upon 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 upon 1 is 1. Here 1 upon root 3. And this will be 0 degree. So just you see here, cot theta, values of cot theta can be written in the reverse order of tan theta. So this is not defined. This is root 3. This is 1. This is 1 upon root 3. This is 0. So this is the table for specific angles of all trigonometric ratios. And we are supposed to remember this table all the time, so that you can solve the problems of this topic very easily. So now let us see some problems. But I will suggest you to remember all these values, then only we will be able to solve the problems. So now we will start here from some simple questions, simple problems. We are writing these values: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And trigonometrical ratios are sine, cos tan, cosec, sec and cot. Now you are able to fill up these boxes very easily. This is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, this is 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, 0, this is 0, this is root 3, sorry, 1 by root 3, this is 1 by root 3, this is 1 root 3 and this is not defined. Again cosec means 1 by sine means 1 by 0, this is not defined. Here 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Here this is 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, this is not defined and this is not defined. This is root 3, this is 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. So please keep this table in your mind always. Now let us do some problems now. Here we have to evaluate sine 60 degree, cos of 30 degree plus sine of 30 degree into cos of 60 degree. Here just we will put the values and we'll simplify, we'll get the result. So for the reference you can go through this table, but that is not always advisable because you have to remember it, keep in mind. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sine 30 is half and cos 60 is again half. So this is 3 by 4 and this is 1 by 4, that is 4 by 4, this is equal to 1. This is the answer. So very easily you can do these questions by remembering this table and putting the corresponding values in the given expression and simplifying it, you will get the result. Next question, let us see. Evaluate five into cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 40 degree divided by sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. You can do this question very easily. So let us put the corresponding values of the trigonometrical expressions here. So this is 5 into cos 60. You see this is half. Its square is 1 by 4. So for the sake of convenience, let us write here 1 by 2 whole square. Why? Because cos 60 is half and square is here. So half square. Similarly, this is 4 sec square 30. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So into 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 divided by sine square 30 degree. Sine 30 is half square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now let us simplify it. we'll get the result very easily. So this is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 upon 4 plus 3 by 4. And this is equal to, find the LCM in the numerator. So LCM is 12 and this will be 15 plus 64 minus 12 divided by 4 by 4, that is 1. And this is equal to 67 by 12. This is the answer. Fine.